Hey, this song that I'm about to play is a song called Senses, and I originally wrote it for Prop 8 rally to speak out against Prop 8 before it got passed. Yeah. This is called Senses. I wake up to your soft skin, you wake up to my lips. I tell you you're the only one I waited for all my life. Take my hand, let's leave here. Lie with me, wanna hear your heartbeat. I tell you, I can't imagine living without you. I lie awake at night, trying to catch my breath. I ask myself why. Baby, I'm scared to death. 'Cause every time I see you, smell, touch, taste you, I'm alive. When I first met you, when you first met me, it drove me mad to think you loved me too. Now we stand here, you make me whole, I make you home, we make the world go round. I lie awake at night, trying to catch my breath. I ask myself why. Baby, I'm scared to death. 'Cause every time I see, hear, smell, touch, taste you, I'm alive. Your eyes, your smile, the soft spot on your cheek, the way you look when you're staring back at me. This crazy thing I feel inside when you are next to me. The fact that I can live or die so long as you are mine, so long as I am yours. I lie awake at night, trying to catch my breath. I ask myself why. Baby, I'm scared to death. 'Cause every time